Hello, party people! Hello, it is Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here today with Dollar Bead Box January little projects. Okay, we might get a couple of projects done in this video. I have recently, as of yesterday, I opened up the January Dollar Bead Box, and I have like 6 little projects planned. They're supposed to be kind of like fun and for gift giving, preparing for Valentine's Day. If you saw the unboxing, you got like the colorway situation, so you get it, right? So anyways, let's jump into it. Let's bounce down to the mat, get this party started. All right, guys, here we are down on the mat. Again, dollarbeadbox.com. This is where you can go and check out some of these items. And in the description of this video, I've put a bunch of information about Dollar Bead Box, about their subscriptions and their memberships and their wholesale site and things of that nature. So you can head down to the description if you would like to know more. But right now, let's start out with something super easy, huh? Why not? Zoom it on in, zoom it on in. Are these not the cutest? Little hearts. These are just going to be a simple little pair of earrings. Now, I think, which way do I want to go? Do I want to use bronze? Question mark. You know what? I'm going to use silver. I was thinking, oh, you could really, you could go bronze, you could go, honestly, I would like to have gone rose gold, but that was a little funky. I mean, let's be real about it. I'm a silver girl. So, I'm just going to do one of these numbers. Now, I'm also going to get myself some spacers. If you were around for my desk uncluttering videos, I have been working on that still. It is complex, to say the least. Just complex. Okay, here we are with the silver. So, I'm going to get out some Tinky Tots, a few spacers. I'm going to want to have some earring wires, which are not in this box. I'm going to want, I think I'm going to go French on these. I think I'm going to go bright silver French. Because why not? Yeah, I'm going to do a couple pairs, so I might as well get some out. Alright, we are ready to rock. So, first things first, of course, I gotta have a spacer or two. The Tinky spacers that I love so much. We do sell these on Thunderhorse Descendant if you are looking for them. I think I have them listed in the Crystal collection. I have them listed in the Crystal collection as of today. You know, I think I want to do a little bicone on there. That'll be cute, right? I have a little drawer over here of at the ready bicones. Let's see what we got. Some little pink guys. Oh, he's a big one. Yeah, we'll use that. I really do like to use a bicone, especially in that heart. You see how that bicone fits right in there? It's going to make it super easy for us when we go on to do the wrapping, which is now. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do a little wire wrap over the top, spin it, turn the whole thing sideways, go around about 2 times, and then here, trim that off. And then I'm going to work hard in this loop a little bit, just so, you know, straighten it all out. And I'm going to tuck my tail in right here. And I'm going to be real careful as to not crack my crystal, because that would be a travesty. Okay. So now we do the second one. These would be cute just on their own. Gonna go around here about twice. I'm gonna leave it a little bit loose because I am gonna tuck in this little tail around the crystal, and I don't want it to get too close and crack my crystal. There we go. Looking good. Alright, so there's our bottom portion of those guys. And then I am going to get a little wire. I'm going to use some 22 gauge silver wire from Softlex. I'm going to cut off a couple snippets of this. I'm going to create a loop right here. Now, I do have some Tinky Tot oval spacers, and I'm going to use those to dangle these little guys with. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to finish this, just because I like that they would be able to move a little bit better with that hinge. And since I have the Tinky Tots, which are anything under a 4mm, I do have that ability to make it, you know, where it's not, there's not so much space in between. So I'm going to take advantage of that. Oh, it looks like Winter is helping Phyllis over there do some packing.
She's doing a good job.
She's doing a good job. She was also helping Molly this morning do listings. She's a worker cat these days. She's doing it. Okay, so I'm just going to come in here and finish this side as well. Go around 2 times. And give this a trim. Squish. And finished up there. And now all we're going to do is put our little Tinky Tot jump ring. Right here. attach on here and attach on here and close that. Make sure it's closed really well. And then I'm going to put on my earring wire. Now, this earring wire, I could spin this, but I guess I'm going to use another oval. Put it on there. Oh my. I don't know what winter is doing now. She's doing things. I don't know. Commotion is happening. Alright. And there we go on that guy. Isn't that the cutest? Super easy, simple to make for your friends. There's my... Now I'm going to measure from the top of the earring wire here. About 3 inches, which is pretty average for me, but so cute. That twisty on the top, I think, gives it a little, it's going to catch the light really well. So I'm super excited about that. Let me finish up this other one, and we'll see what the pair looks like together. But I think these will be cute just to do for like your friends, your neighbor, you know, just a little Valentine's Day something or other, a family member. They're not hard to do. You could do them for shows as well. I'm sure some of you have shows going on, prepping for that. Easy, cute. You know, for those who want to get involved in the holiday season. This is one of the reasons that I really like Dollar Bead Box. Sometimes I call it my earring box because, you know, because you can just get some cute earrings out of it. And then we go here. And not only are they cute, but they're all Czech most of the time, so it's pretty high quality as well. And did quite a short wrap on this one, so I'll try to keep it the same here. Go. And I used another jump ring. And we're just going to put him on the earring wire. Make sure he's good and tight right here. And there we go. I gotta say, those are pretty dang good if you ask me. Length is good. I like those a lot. They're cute, but they're not too like on the nose. You could wear them anytime really, you know, but they're not too like on the nose for Valentine's. So I think these are super cute. So there you go. There's a pair of super cute little earrings for you, a little 10-minute pair or so after we got everything going. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, please don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, do all the YouTube-y things. And I'm going to jump off here, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.